How to add a product on Shopify. So in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to exactly add your very first product to Shopify. So let's start. So once you've logged into your Shopify account, right, on the left side, you're going to want to select products. Now that you selected product, right, you'll be arriving to this page that looks like this, right? And if you haven't added any products, right, then it will just show the add product button in the middle. If you already have products, right, you could just select on the top right, add product. Once you selected the add product, right, you'll now land in this page where you'll be able to add your very first product or add another product. So you could go ahead and enter the title of the product. So for this one, we're just going to call this one Man's Red T-shirt, right? The next is you'll be able to enter a description into your product as well. So you can use Sidekick, which is Shopify's internal AI tool, to help you write your description for your product. And then once it enters it, you can make any updates you want to it. Next, you're going to want to go to media and select add media to select a product image that you need to upload. So we're going to click here products and I'm just going to click red. Awesome. So now you added an image to your product. The next, you'll be able to add a price to your product, right? So you can add whatever price you want to price your product for, right? And you have also more options within the price section to add the compare price. This just helps with the sales, right? So maybe you want to show people that it used to cost $25 and now it's on sale for $20, the t-shirt. Next, you could add the inventory. The inventory is just a great way for you to track, right, which location has the t-shirts, right? So maybe you only have 100 t-shirts, so you can add that so that it'll just make it easy to sell. And then also you'll have the option to include continue selling when out of stock. But of course, you might want to have this turned off if you want to avoid any issues if you're not able to get that product in stock on time to ship in time. And then you're going to want to make sure your shipping setup is perfectly set and the product weight is exactly entered, just to make sure your customer gets charged the right amount for shipping. From here, you can add variants, right? So depending on the product you're selling, right? So for me, this was a t-shirt. I could add the size and I could include the sizes that I'm selling, right? And maybe not add the sizes that I'm not selling as well, right? And so once from there, you could just click done. Next, you could go ahead and add the variants for it. So maybe I only have 20 medium and maybe 10 large t-shirts only, right? And from there, you just want to make sure you update the category meta fields, right? And that's pretty much it on how you add a product to your Shopify store. And from here, just make sure that you have the channels turned on. And then if you're happy with everything, go ahead and click save. And there we go. You've successfully added a product to your Shopify account. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll be happy to answer.